Hi friends, this is 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy A04 smartphone. In this video you will learn how you can remove or hide camera shortcuts on lock screen in your phone Samsung Galaxy A04. If you see in the lock screen, there will be camera shortcuts on the right bottom side. Okay, if you directly swipe up there, it will directly open up the camera and you can capture the image. So this is shortcut for using your phone camera. Okay, suppose if you have already locked your phone and you are keeping your phone in a public place, and if some others urgently needed your photo to shoot particular happenings, okay, for urgent use, yes, they can lift your phone and they can shoot, they can record your photo. Okay, this is for emergency use only. Okay, so suppose if you don't want that usage, if you want to remove this camera shortcut, yes, you can do it. What you have to do is just first go to the settings, go to settings of a phone here, then go to lock screen, and here you will see shortcuts option, and in the shortcuts there will be two options showing. One is phone, another one is camera. So phone is showing in the left bottom side and camera is showing on the right bottom side of lock screen. Just if you want to turn off both, just turn off this and go to the lock screen and see that there is no such shortcut on either right side or left side. Okay, suppose if you want to replace camera with another one, yes, you can do it. What you do is first keep shortcuts turned on and click over shortcuts, and here click on left shortcut, and you can modify left shortcut with another one. Already it is available, it was available phone, or that is dialer, and if you want to use calculator, yes, select calculator, and calculator is replaced to the left shortcut, and click on right shortcut, and by default camera is showing in the right shortcut, and you can replace with other one. I have picked up Amazon, and yes, it's done. And go back and see here in the shortcuts, calculator on the left side and Amazon on the right side are there, and go to lock screen and see the changes. So to open up calculator, just swipe up and calculator will be open directly, and if you swipe up on the right shortcut Amazon, it will ask your pattern. So only system app like camera, calculator will be directly opened. All other apps, this is private app, and you will have some privacy there, so it will not directly open, it will ask your pattern. Okay, but you can open from the lock screen itself. Okay, that's the purpose here. Only emergency apps, like no, if there is no security, then that apps will be directly open from the lock screen itself. You set on left shortcut or right shortcut on lock screen. That's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.